Hi friends, welcome to Place Value Day 2. Place value is another way to look at a number's position. Every digit, or single number, represents a 100, a 10, or a 1. So in our number 348, we have 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones. We draw a place value chart to help us with the number's position. Remember, place value tells us what position the digit or single number falls under. For example, the number 25 is made up of 2 digits, 2 and 5. When we talk about place value, we talk about the position those two numbers fall. The 2 would fall under the tens place, and the 5 would fall under the ones place. If we have a number that is lower than 10, it always stays in the ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would go in the ones place. When we fill up a tens frame, what number do we have? Yes, we have a 10. We represent one 10 in a place value chart like this. We can represent a 10 with a bundle. This is a bundle of 10 popsicle sticks. When we get a 10 of them, we put them into a bundle. When we have leftover sticks and they do not equal 10, we need to put them in the ones place. If we have one bundle of 10 and 6 loose sticks, what number do we have in total? How do we show this in a place value chart? We have 1 10 and 6 ones. 1 10 and 6 ones. That number is 16. Now it's time for you to practice. If you can print out the worksheet, that is great, but if you can't, just do the problems on a piece of paper. And as always, have fun!